السلام عليكم، حياكم الله شباب. السلام عليكم كارتي.
وعليكم السلام.
السلام عليكم.
وعليكم السلام.
أنا قاعد أعلمهم بس إن شاء الله يعرفون ما شاء الله. حياكم الله شباب. صراحة يعني حياكم الله. فأنا قلت لازم أفيدكم مع الإخوان هنا، فجبت لكم واحد تيستنج، قليل جدا أتكلم عن تيستنج. أنا جبت لكم واحد أندرويد الحين في بانجلور، وهذا يقولوا إنديا. I think they are saying بانجلورو. يا بانجلورو يا يقولون بانجلورو، أنا أقول بانجلور ما أقول بانجلورو. ف حياكم الله. فنحاول نستفيد من الشباب، ترى ما شاء الله خبراتهم مرة ممتازة، بس راح نتكلم انجلش معاهم. أول واحد أعرفكم كارتك، مختبر يعني بالتستنج البرامج، سولوشنز سوفت وير برامج كله يسوي تستنج كامل، وراح يعلمكم بالضبط كيف تيجي التستنج يعني يستوي منها كخبرة. وفيصل اندرويد ديفلوبر، برمج اندرويد، يعشق الاندرويد، حتى جوال اندرويد. Your mobile is Android as well?
Yes.
Yeah, do you see? His mobile is Android. Let's start with the Kartik. So Kartik, please tell me, so you are from Bangalore, and tell me what you are doing in your life.
Actually, explain about this software testing.
Yeah.
So software testing, what is the necessity of software testing? Actually, it is a process that we can find defects in particular softwares.
Okay.
So there are a lot of types of software testings are there.
Well, let me ask you before that. Is software testing is important or something it's waste time?
No, it's not like that. Actually, software testing is important in real-time applications as well as in software life also.
But wasting time, development finished, they should publish that. If you do testing, it will waste 2 or 3 days.
Not like that actually.
Okay, tell me.
Actually, if you want to launch one application, and if it went to market,
Yeah.
so and now this customers is using that particular application, in that case, if they came to know that there are a lot of bugs are there because it's not user friendly.
We can do update.
Actually, that causes the reputation of the particular company also,
Okay,
as well as
yeah.
the software also. So in order to curtail these kind of issues, we have to
Yeah,
manage
yes.
one kind of software testing here.
Yeah.
So you have, in each software company there should have at least 1 or 2 specialized software testers.
At least.
At least.
Because this is important in testing in any software company.
Yeah, in any software company there should have at least software testers. Otherwise, developers has to do the software testing.
Okay. But they will do?
No, they don't have the time. Actually, if you go to previous 10 years, then there is no software testers in this world also.
Okay.
After that, only software tester came into real time.
Okay.
So because software developers don't have the time to test because they are very busy in the developing. So what they will do, they will do the coding. After that, they will publish. That's
Only
it.
that.
Only that. They don't have. Maybe they will check the small crashes. That's it. But beside that one, you have lot of bugs will be there.
Okay.
So you have to find each and every bugs.
So let me, because they're saying have to translate. كارتك يقول يعني التستنج مرة ممتاز، وقاعد حاشر أقول لا التستنج مو زين، يقول لا ضروري جدا، لأنك إذا نزلت برنامج بالجوجل بلاي ولا أب ستور والناس جربوا إن في بجز، خلاص راح تخسر العملاء حقك وتخسر سمعة الشركة في أي شركة تطوير. مهم جدا تسوي برنامج بعدة أخطاء. إذا ما عندك تستر لازم البرمجيين نفسهم يعرفون التستنج، وهذا صعب جدا. You have to have someone tester, not to teach everyone testing. And هي يقول لازم نجرب ولازم نتأكد إن هذا مرة ممتاز. الحين أشرح لكم بالضبط كيف مسألة التستنج كيف تجي بالتفصيل حتى تكون مفيد لكم إذا حطوا البرامج كيف موضوع التستنج. Kartik, let me so understand now that testing is important. I was saying it's not important, just I want to get something from you, and everyone understand that it's important. But is it like something that someone have to study it, or something it comes with experience? Tell me your opinion.
Yeah, actually 2 scenarios are there. Normally we are testers from childhood onwards. We are testing each and every things that we are doing. Even for single pen also we can test some scenarios.
How?
Like for testing a pen, first we can check how this product is made up of, then how is the nib made up of. When you drop from here to here, whether it's breaking or not. Then if you write this pen with slightly in slanting position, whether it's able to write or not. These kind of scenarios are there. for each and everything we can create test scenarios.
Very good answer. So from while you are a child, this is your life. But how about to do a computer testing? How is it?
Yeah, in computer scenario, that also we can do. It depends upon two criteria. Like we will classify that into functional testing as well as non-functional testing. So in case of functional testing, it's differentiated into different platforms. Like unit testing is there, then after that regression testing is there, the system testing is there, UAT testing is there. About unit testing in the sense, individual projects when developer is doing some product.
Feel free if you want to draw anything. It's okay.
Yeah, sure, fine.
Yeah. There are users here and viewers. They're saying they will want to do testing as well. تشوفون شباب اتوقع اللايت. Maybe if you draw here it's better so they can see.
Yeah. Okay. Fine.
Yeah. أبشر خلي الأسئلة شوية يمكن أشرح الآن. They are asking question saying that question at the end. So we can start. Yeah.
Yes, please. So here we can mention like functional testing cases. Functional testing. So actually functional testing means it's unit testing will come, system testing will come, integration testing will come, and UAT testing will come. So what is this unit testing? Actually while developing something, each module is considered as one unit. So what they will do, developers can test their own units.
Okay.
So for example, if you are doing login page, so that is considered as one unit. So you can test that particular unit.
Okay.
Whether when you are entering some username and password and clicking on next button, whether it's navigating to next page or not. So that comes under this unit testing.
Okay. Very good.
So next thing is system testing. So system testing in the sense, no, integration testing we can check that one. So integration in the sense, I have told about one unit, so that is login page. Second one, inbox is there, so that is second page. So I want to check the interaction between the two sections. So first I will check the first module, and second I will check the second module, and I will check the both interactions, how it happening. When you click on next button, whether it's navigating to the next page or not. When I am clicking back, whether it's coming back to the first page or not. So that comes under interactions.
Very good.
So next is system. System comes under the overall product. So when the build is going to release, the final build we will say like systems.
Okay.
So that comes under system. So we are testing the entire application finally. That comes under system testing.
Very good. Excellent.
So next is one more thing is there like retesting and regression testing. That is the major part for one software testing. So retesting in the sense, as a tester or as a tester we will find some bugs and we will ask developers to fix. Normally they won't fix that one because they hate us.
Yeah, let me. You know, this is one of the few podcasts they have. They have all these likes and hearts. You know, everyone love what you're saying. So please complete. As well as let me ask you. Stop here. Like Faisal, I think he hate you, and all the developers in any company they hate testers. You know.
Yeah. That's actually fact.
This is how the life is, it, you know. But tell us why and.
Actually, our main aim is to make sure that the company is delivering the maximum and stable product.
Yeah.
That customers should satisfy their needs.
The customers.
Means customers should the customers when they use that one they have to satisfy.
Yes.
So that in that way the company reputation will go to higher position. So once the developers are not realizing that when the product came to that particular extent, that higher level, peoples will praise only developers.
Yes.
They won't think about the testers who have did that much work behind that particular product.
Yes.
So when the product is launched, as a tester we will get satisfaction, like at least we have the time to spend that much time that our product went to market with higher priority.
Exactly. And the clients will be happy.
The clients will be happy.
Very good. شباب خلي أي نقاش ثاني بعدين نتناقش الحين في موضوع التستنج. Okay, so if you want to complete the last two,
yeah. This retesting in the sense when we send some bugs, they will fix that one and we have to test that one. That is retesting. Regression testing in the sense while they are fixing some issues, while they are doing this retesting process, maybe due to that one some other issues may be occur. If they are fixing some issues in login page, maybe in a section somewhere that modification creates some issues. So we have to test that part also. That comes under regression testing. So this overall we will say like functional testing. UAT in the sense user acceptable testing. We will make sure that it is up to the mark, like it's satisfying the needs of the particular customer or the client. So this comes under UAT testing.
شباب خلوا موضوع المعاهد والهنود وغيره خلوه بعدين اوكي. خلينا نركز في نفس موضوعنا ان شاء الله يعني عشان الناس يركزوا معنا. طيب okay, the last two testing. Can you tell me this? I like this bug, you know, you draw it. What's that?
Actually, this comes under this retesting case.
Okay.
Like when we are finding, this is actually bug life cycle. We will say like bug life cycle. As a tester, we like bugs more.
Okay.
But it's developers hate that one actually.
So if you find a bug, you will be happy?
Finding bugs actually happy for us.
Happy?
We are searching for bugs always.
For me, I will not be happy. For a developer, I will not be happy. But you will be happy, yeah?
Yeah, because we want to make sure that the application is almost stable and is bug free. Actually, as a tester,
Is there something bug free?
No, actually, that's what I'm trying to say. If we place some specialized testers also, we can't say that one application is 100% bug free.
Okay.
The main use of tester is like we can reduce the occurrence of bugs.
So let me ask you, if you are working in one day and you didn't find any bug, can you sleep?
No, I can't sleep. Really, I can't sleep on that entire day.
You can't sleep because you didn't find a bug. والله ما توقعت الرد هذا صراحة. ايش رايكم شباب؟ Okay.
Yeah, this is actually bug life cycle. So when you first find some bug, so this is the first state, open state. We will make it as open.
Okay.
So once it's ready, then one higher team lead or who have the more experience, he will analyze that particular bug. He will make sure that it is a valid bug. Then he will make it as a new bug. And after that, he will assign that to particular developer. So once the developer has fixed that particular thing, he will make the status to retest. Like you can test now. So after we will test, we will make sure that if it's the bug is closed, then we will close that particular thing. Otherwise, we will reopen and we will reassign that to developers.
Very good.
And sometimes in some cases due to time schedule or maybe the launch is going to happen within one day or on the next day, and we are finding this bug, so we will talk to management, like we found one bug, what we can do. So management will give the approval, like we can skip to next version if it's small bug. So
It's
in
major.
that case it's not major, so in that case we can make it as a deferred app. So that will be skipped and that condition will come to deferred.
Very good. You know, I really like what you are saying. Everyone happy, but let's have Faisal and then we come back to you if there is any questions. Faisal.
Yes.
So I'm really happy to have you here today with us. You are an Android developer.
Yes.
And you have been working. Let me say in Arabic so anyone understand. كارتك شرحنا التستنج الحين. نتكلم مع فيصل مبرمج اندرويد يشتغل اكثر من 15 برنامج. تطبيقات موجوده ممتازه جدا. فودي اساله يعلمنا شوي عن اندرويد. هو يعشق اندرويد، حتى جوال اندرويد بعد، كل شيء يحب، كل شيء اندرويد. فيعجبني الشخص كذا اللي اذا اشتغل حاجه يحبها يعني، فالحب مهم جدا يعني. فنساله بعض الاشياء وينورنا من حسب الخبره يعني. Yes, Faisal. So your name is Faisal, but you are Indian, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, because Faisal, we have many Saudi Faisals, you know. So
My name is Sheikh
Yeah.
Abdullah Faisal.
Sheikh Abdullah Faisal, ya salam. So please tell me what are you doing like in Android? What do you think about the Android? Do you think it's better than iOS? It's not better than iOS? What do you think about the developer point of view?
Developer point of view, Android is better than both iOS and Windows.
No way.
Because
Okay, this is
Because-
huge. Okay.
yes, because this is user friendly. Whatever, even children also easy to use Android.
Oh,
So
اسمعوا شباب, did you hear that? Android is better than iOS and Windows. Okay. Complete.
because now we are getting with low cost and easy to, for developer point of view, easy to develop with this is easy to develop by using Java code itself. And
The
then
development is easy.
yes,
You are talking from the development view. Something
both-
easy, something.
both development and user view.
Hmm.
From user side we can easy to view, even if we are using something like that, this is the thing I want to see something like that, also we can easy to view. And then easy to develop game also. Children's also nowadays they will play the games.
Exactly.
And
They're
then
doing like Scratch and other applications.
we can make everything within this phone.
Yes.
Easy to view news and then posting something and
Yes.
then reading everything we can make it is one single hand mode.
Oh, this is very good article, you know. Okay, so I think Android, like, even it works in mobile, in tablets, in car, everywhere, even in fridge, everywhere it's working Android now.
Yes.
So this also advantage for you. So you have
yes.
business.
Yes.
Okay, very good. So please tell me, like, what is your recommendation to anyone to start Android development? So what are the tools he should use? You told me Eclipse, Android Studio is good but slow. Tell me about it.
Yes. Previously, at the first time, Eclipse is the better than everything, because Android is, everything we can made by Java code or JSP, everything we can use by Eclipse, and then we are move on to Eclipse alone. Now we have a separate IDE like Android Studio and IntelliJ IDEA. IntelliJ IDEA only develop Android Studio, but they give more feature to Android Studio alone, not IntelliJ IDEA. They give little bit of feature day by day in there. After that, we are using Android Studio for development. Most of the developers are using, because they have a inbuilt SVN and then JIT and then another some server connection concept is easy to implement and easy to get commit, get update, everything is easy to
It's
use.
included within the Android Studio.
Yes.
You told me like Android Studio is the best in Linux. Linux is the best platform for Android Studio.
Yes.
Okay.
We can upload and download our code with our SVN or JIT SVN.
Okay.
This is easy for developers also.
طبعا هو يتكلم ببرمجة فحسام صوت, هذا كلام برمج. نعم, اسلم تفضل. اسلم. Please complete.
After that, now we have a lot of examples to view. Even now someone study UGRPG, that guy is also easy to develop, because they already know C, CPP, Java, everything. So easy to implement everything. Java is derived from C and Java only.
Very good.
After that, now we are using more than that Lollipop. Now we are getting Marshmallow also, that is 6.0. They give much feature to user side. We can restrict all the functionality, for example location, and then some location and voice control, everything we can restrict. Because someone will say
You have, in Android you have the power of controlling.
Yes.
Not like iOS. iOS you have only API, public API. You only
Yes.
use it. You cannot use the private API.
Yes.
So this
now
is the only
only
thing.
now only iOS give feature to transform the data from same one Bluetooth to Bluetooth to I think latest version iOS 8.0 and
Yeah.
greater than, but Android given from to 1.3 itself.
هوية حقين ايفون. تجي تقول قاعد يدقي كم يقول توكم الحين تنقلون ملفات وحنا اندرويد من زمان مسوينها. يا اخي يجيبني يعطيكم دقات كذا حلوة. Okay, very good. I am happy that you have this competition with the iOS. Okay, so you are saying that Android is better.
Yes.
And how about especially now the design? like the UI, the material design, this new concept of design.
Yes.
It give like the power to Android platform.
Yes, now we are getting material design from 5.0 itself. That means past 1.5 years we are getting material design like that. That is a paper touch. We can see this. This one is the paper touch. We are getting something. So we get whatever it is user friendly. They will open where you are touch. They will open from there itself. So we get too many animations with. Too much
Little code or maybe there is no code, it's come with this.
Yes, they will only they give little enhancement, but we are getting much and much better than other things. Same like we are getting much UI. UI we are getting easy to use, easy to access. They give to user to how to enhance.
Okay, I have some questions here. We will not talk about security now. Talk about development only.
Yes.
So there is someone ask security. How about the UX?
Yes.
If you want to develop the UI and UX in Android, is it easy or it's
Yes.
very difficult? It's very hard to put it, or
No, it is easy
from
to
development point of view?
Yes. From we are need to do this like or we need to do this one as bottom. It is easy to everything is easy to development.
Yeah. Okay. So this is. So these things are easy to do, yeah.
Yes, everything is easy.
Okay. Very good. So
After
you are
that-
doing Android Studio or Eclipse? Which one is better?
For my
UI.
point of view, Android Studio is better because if you put Control Shift F, if you find, for example, OK, this is the word, you will put it in more than one activity. But if you give Control Shift F and OK, they will show all those results in one single click within a minute.
Okay.
So we can found these many these many words are there. This is the word we can use this many times. So we can easy to understand, easy to use, and then easy to access everywhere.
Right.
We need to change something with that word means easy to do everything.
Okay.
After that, security means security wise also good, but little bit only is the problem. From Marshmallow, what they will do means they will encrypt your data. For example, your messages also is there means they will encrypted by their own code, own native code, but anyone hackers won't see that code. If your mobile is rooted also, not able to see that one. That is the future for Marshmallow onwards.
Okay. So I will ask you a question, then I will go back to Kartik to have the questions, and go back to you to have the user questions.
Okay.
But my question is only one: why Android is better than iOS? And the market share, Apple is more than Google.
Yes.
So Apple sell more; they have more
Yes.
money.
This is
Why?
user friendly. That is the main reason.
Okay.
Main thing is user friendly, easy to access child also. That
Okay.
is the very big thing.
Okay.
For example, and then cost wise also very low.
Okay. And maybe because Google they don't control Android, they have it for free for anyone to do it. So there is no restriction about the source code. But
Yes.
if there is one company only they are selling this, of course they will have money.
Yes.
But they are liking open source more than closed source. And this is the main thing maybe. Okay. Kartik, please شباب اللي عندهم questions أي questions كارتك موجود بالتستنج ما التستنج. I will have the first question, okay. وشابك سؤال يشوف حط سؤال ثاني لحد عشان ما أنسى يعني. First question from me. If I want to start, I am a developer, okay. I'm a very good developer. I know nothing in testing. What are the small steps I should learn so I can make my code better?
First of all, as a developer, you have to perform unit testing.
Unit testing.
Yeah, whenever you are writing some codes, anyway you have to do the unit testing so that you will make sure that the unit that you are doing is bug free. Then later it's deploying to other integration. Maybe issues will come that's tester's headache that they will handle. But make sure from your end you have to do the unit testing because you know the source code very well than testers. So you can do the white box testing also. White box testing in the sense with the knowledge of the source code you can perform the testing. So that you can do. Then in Android point of view, if you know Monkey Runner, then you can do those kind of codes also. If you want, I can write those code here. That code you can use for automation, or not automation, you can do for random clicks. Because as an Android developer, when it comes to market, if they are using students also, childs also, or maybe elders, they will multiple tab there, so crash may occur. So to avoid those kind of crashes, you can, this kind of text, this kind of commands is really useful. So you can use it's visible?
It's visible, yeah, it's okay.
Yeah. ADB shell monkey NSP, then use the particular package name, like for example com dot then example.com.
Okay.
Something you can write, and after that give -v, then just run the clicks that you want. How many clicks you want, like 2000, 500, 10,000, those kind of clicks you can give.
Okay.
So it will take randomly internally,
Okay.
like Monkey Runner. So it will automatically give all those screenshots, it will take videos, it will scroll down, it will take click there randomly and crash may occur.
This is excellent.
So you can perform, say Android developer, this is actually useful.
اندرويد مره وراهم الكود، ما تبغى تصورونه ولا شيء، بس مهمه جدا يسوي تيستنج بشكل عالي وخطير يعني. What's the maximum? Is there maximum numbers?
No, you can do anything. Not there is
5,000?
Yeah, 5,000 also. Even I am using starting from 1,000 to 10,000. So it will click.
You want to kill me today, I will not sleep today. Okay, Karthik. So everyone is asking about the types. Just go one by one and tell them what the difference between them. The unit system.
Yeah, okay. Actually, this is actually functional testing. There is another more section is like non-functional testing. In functional testing, it comes under unit. So each unit is considered like login page, inbox, those kind of units. We will separate that one, and you will separately test each and every sections. That comes under unit testing. And integration testing in the sense, all those modules together we will test, and its interaction also we will test. That comes under interaction. And system test means we are testing the overall build, the final product we are testing. That is comes under system testing. And retesting in the sense, if any bug is fixed, we will verify whether the bug is exactly fixed or not. So that comes under retesting. And regression testing means while they are fixing that particular bug, there is a possibility of maybe they have opened some other bugs in some other sections.
And
So
this is the most important.
yeah, that we have to test in regression testing. And UAT testing comes under, we will make sure that it is satisfying the particular requirement that client has given. So that comes under UAT testing. So this is all together comes under functional testing.
Very good.
And non-functional testing in the sense, apart from this functionality, like we will check the response time, the loading time, and then how much load that particular website or particular application can hold.
What are the tools that you recommend?
Yeah, actually we can do, there are a lot of tools available in the market for most of the things. Normally in companies they will use HPQC or JMeter, because HPQC is a licensed tool. You have to pay more.
Let's have open source, free.
Yeah, and we have open source like JMeter. That is open source. So we can do any sort of operations, like we can even do API testing also using JMeter.
Very good.
And apart from that, then automation testing is also there. Automation testing we can use Selenium, QTP, those kind of things also we can use.
Very good.
So
Excellent.
in testing there are a lot of scenarios are there.
Yeah. How long does the system testing takes? It's dependent about the system.
Yeah, system in the sense, if you are doing all those processes like unit, regression, all those things one by one, then I think the system testing will take. Normally, system testing we will do only at the final time only. Like smoke testing and sanity testing, we will say like smoke testing in the sense, when client is saying like we want to launch a particular application, so we don't have the time to test the entire application from starting onwards.
Okay.
So in that time we will make sure that the basic functionality is working fine.
Okay.
So that comes under we will take that ad hoc testing or sanity testing or smoke testing.
Right.
So we will do all those operations there only.
Right. Thank you much, Karthik. We appreciate it. Faisal,
Yes.
what do you recommend to trial testing after launch? ما فهمت سؤالكم. شاب أي سؤال لفيصل؟ Yeah, but they are still asking question about testing. شاب سؤال الأندرويد. Let me ask you one question myself. You told me like Android is easy to develop. Like if I don't know anything about Android, I am nothing. Like Karthik, he's a testing, okay? But he wanted to do Android development. How long it takes him to know Android and to start developing?
Minimum within 3 months.
3 months.
Yes, if he know base of C or Java, within 3 months he will know total Android, how to do, how to code it, how to design it, how to give one perfect project.
MashaAllah. I don't know you love Android like this. Yeah, MashaAllah, you love Android a lot. So you have been developing for 2 years, I think, and this is excellent. So شباب انا ترى ما اعرفهم برسكو ابدا، فقاعد اشرح لهم في قلوب كذا، فالحين بجيب الشاشه هنا فريكم القلوب كثير عشان ينبسطون. اوكي okay guys, thank you very much, I appreciate it. I told them I want to show you the hearts, so they will come. Please come here. This is the bug. No, he draw the bug. He draw it here. هذا testing، هذا كارتك راسم bug هنا. Do you see? Each one represent one user. Each heart, each color represent one user. There are now around 30. They are listening to us. They can type comments, and we can have like this, and you can see how many hearts each one have. It's been Medina, this my friend, like 32 likes. This is the title. تبون تقولون شيء شباب؟ اي ثاني يقرون الحين معانا، قاعد يقرون الشاشة. اي سؤال، اي حاجة، قول لهم كلمة حلوة. Thank you. I'm saying thank you. Thank you for your time. Easy. Thanks guys, thanks. Okay. Really helpful. You see his pictures and yes. You are so cute. Allah. This is for who? You are both married or not married?
I'm married.
You're not married at all. We can have wife for you here.
Yes.
Really? And you can pay me. It's better than any website, اوكي شباب، اللي يبغى اللي يصور هذه مفيدة يعني قريبة. أو يبغى يصور هذا، مدري الرابط ولا شيء. ممتاز، يلا يعطيكم العافية شباب، ونلقاكم قريب بإذن الله. طبعا أنا في بانجلور في الهند، يعني بانجلور موجودة في الهند يعني. يلا يعطيكم العافية شباب، مع السلامة.